across here. Okay guys, I'm going to dip this half quad back. Okay, I've got it taped off and masked in the center. I don't like my pattern to go inside there, so it's all cleaned up. That's where the cover, the battery cover will go. I want the pattern to look like it's growing up from both sides, so I'm going to center it in the middle here, and then I'll put an accent feature stripe in that. Let me get this thing in there right. I've got my mirror in the back there, and this is the reason I've got it. I get down into a couple of those real weird spots. I'm going to need a peek back there and see exactly what's going on. I get to my weird stuff here about there. I got to go real slow and make sure I don't. There we go. Okay, looks really good from here. This is the area I was critical about because I wanted it to roll over here but yet get back down inside of here, and as you can see it definitely, I was slow enough to where I hit this side here without letting the water pass me up here. Okay, so now I've got half of it. You see how it's growing up on the outside when you're looking at it, so whatever side you're on the bike, it's going to look like it's growing up from the ground in that direction. Okay, and that's my whole intent. But didn't back tape the edges on this one here. Came out real good. So there you go. We'll dip the other side here. I'm going to actually let this dry as it is and just take the masking paper off and then just double dip it again into. Okay guys, we got our film in there. Got our beeper going off. Good. Okay, let's see if we can get this out. Okay guys, so what we've got is one side's wet, still with the PVA on it, and the other side is dry. Just dripped some water in my tank there, or PVA or something, which wasn't good. So we're going to try to get this one down there. See what happens. Again, I'm watching my mirror from the back side there. And when I get to the part that I think is going to cause me grief, there we go. You get a little overlap there, but that'll rinse off. You see that? Both reeds coming up opposite direction. Now we can rinse the whole thing off. Alright guys, I just got it all rinsed down. I want to give you a close up here. Okay, you can see this is where the seam is. Okay, sure you can see a little bit dark there, but I mean really look at it. For the amount of stress relief you have on dipping both sides at once, or compared to dipping the whole thing at once and having a little seam like that, I'll take that seam all day long. Okay, and I could still put a stripe down the middle of it if necessary, but there's nothing to worry about. Nobody's going to complain about that, and if they do, you're dealing with the wrong people. Anyway, you see we got inside the nooks and crannies real nice. I did pull the tape off of here. I got a couple little gooeys through there, but that's fine, okay? That's where the battery's going to go. You're not going to see any of that. And if I wanted to, I can grip my paintbrush or airbrush and just do a little doctoring up of that. Just to clean it up a little bit, just a little more professionalism, right? It'd take you a whole 5 minutes. So, anyway, you can get a good look at her. Well, you got 2 really nice dips out of it, and real happy with it. I'll dip the nose tomorrow, and we'll have this one ready to matte clear. Okay.